Okay. Max, come. Max, come here. Max, this way. Are you kidding me? Boys. Zach is going to attempt to get Copper out. And Copper pushes away every time he tries to get him. Bear, are we sleeping? Oh, are you okay, Loop? That was karma. Go on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Every time you lick it, she licks. Oh, Harper, does that look good?
Bear. You're supposed to be a golden retriever, a family dog. Can you please let your sister touch you?
That's so cute.
Hello, how are you? Oh, you want some? You'll eat out of my hand, I know it.
What are you doing? You gotta come inside, boy. It's freezing. Look at all the snow. Oh my god, Enzo.
When we steal someone else's Chewy, what do we say? Do you know? Yes, we say where's
Nona. Got 1.5 cup of Dusquin for Bubs and the same for Moose. Does everybody have what they ordered? Okay.
I don't know, guys. I don't think you're practicing your social distancing.
There she goes. Punk. She's dead.
Are you dead?
Jeff showed up at my garage. Apparently he likes the wood stove. You know where you're at?
Hold on, boy. Alright, you got to break. Back up. Nibbles is cool, but he's a little crazy.
Nibbles. His name's Nibbles?
Yeah, he bit one of the other captains, so that's how he got his name. I could actually show you that video.